Hi, I'm Purple Pikmin, and today you are watching how do you do the digestive system, and that's how I get my poop. So, this is the toilet. This is Purple's butt. Oh my god. Okay, it's time to sit on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet and pooping. Yeah, that's the sound I make. Okay, there's my poop. Here's my poop. If you don't want to look at it, well, too bad, because here it is. You see it in every video, so. Okay, it's poop, boom, 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 boom. Your parents think that this is inappropriate. No, I'm only a 9-year-old boy. Scratch that, I'm 15. So, yeah, this is my voice since I'm 15. And this is all my poop. My poop. My poop is white. There. There. Fine. Digestive work. Work in progress, digestive.